Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to effectively use online job boards to boost your job search. First up, choosing the right job boards. Make sure to select platforms that cater specifically to your industry to maximize your chances. Next, let's talk about creating an effective profile or resume. Your online presence should reflect your skills and experience accurately. Understanding job descriptions is crucial. Pay attention to the requirements and responsibilities to tailor your applications. Utilizing keywords in your search can lead to better results. Research industry-specific terms and use them wisely. Setting up job alerts is essential. This way, you will be one of the first to know when new opportunities arise. Don't forget to network. Many job boards have community features that allow you to connect with other professionals. When applying for jobs, remember to tailor your applications for each position. Customization is key. Following up on your applications can show genuine interest. A simple email can make a big difference. In conclusion, success in using online job boards comes down to strategy and persistence. Good luck!